folks, this is me again. The thing I'm leaning on right here is what do you call it? Unboxing, something I got in the mail. And the story is I ordered this in January, waited January, February, March, April. I think it was delivered May 16th to a place in New York State. First one, the lovely U.S. Post Office, apparently went into the post office. 56-pound box. They couldn't put it down the conveyor belt, so they lost it in the facility. According to the head postmaster, it shouldn't have been lost. They should be able to find it because, everything that leaves the building has to be scanned out. Well, apparently it was never scanned and I haven't found the box yet. Second lady I called in the post office says to me, well, it must have been manually scanned. It has to be somewhere. I'm like, well, if it was manually scanned, it would have been scanned in the computer as gone somewhere. So it's probably still in your building. How do you lose a 56-pound box? I have no idea. So anyway, I ordered another one from the buyer. That one, apparently, he sent it to me and it ended up at his mother-in-law's house. How the hell that happened, I have no idea. So I repacked it, put the same address on it, and told him, can you at least get a, a refund in shipping or something. So after many screw-ups, let's see if this thing arrived in one piece. It's my luck, it's smashed to pieces. What is it? I'll show you. I have removed all the, I guess, conspicuous packaging stuff. Oh, there's even nails in here. So I'm not even sure how to open this thing because there's nails in here. I'm not sure how this is going to... So you know what? I'm going to try to... I don't lose a finger here. I will try, just like Christmas, try and cut it open. Okay. Oh, it's in a box. Look at that. What's that song? Living in a box. Living in a cardboard box. Staples and everything. Right, I'm going to cut around the staples for now. If you are watching this video of me opening it, the person who mailed it to me, thank you so much for sending this to me. Holy man. You like a big screwdriver or something. Ooh la la, look at that. It's in a plywood box. It's like Christmas. Is it nailed shut or is it screwed shut? Oh, it's nailed. Now the question is I hope there's screws in here somewhere. Well, it just be bricks. Right. This off of here. Okay. Probably a good time to put some splinter protectors on. Because, boy, do I love getting splinters. Let me just rip this off here. And the trims. And boy, that's some pretty cool. This is what you call no screwing around packaging. So, yeah. There we go. So, literally, no screws. There we go, there's that. Holy crack-a-mole. Come on, get in there. trying to get one of the ends open so I can see if this thing will come apart. No, it's all nailed shut. So, you know what we need? Pry bar. This gets my vote for the best packaging I've seen in a long time. All right, let's see. Let's see if this is down here. Let's get some of this paper off here. Let's see. I normally use one of these. This is what the BMC pliers are good for. Put them on here if they close all the way. And you just go like this. And you just pull it. It's non-stop. The front has a round head and it just pulls stuff out. There you go. Take all these. I'm gonna take all these things off and clean it before I open the box. I'm gonna take all this stuff off. So I'll pause it here and I'll get back to this thing. You ever buy one of these BMC pliers? See these? They have a nice round nose. Just lock them onto here. Just pull out whatever. That's what I like about them. They're great for that. They just, once you get a good grip on it, just pulls out nails and screws and all kind of stuff, like butter. Got mosquitoes in here eating me alive. Okay, folks, the moment of truth. Can I get this thing apart? Oh. Hey, caramba. This is a much better tool. There we go. This thing is put on there by somebody who knows how to pack boxes. That's for sure. Come on. Yeah, cut. Ta-da! Piece of wood. I guess we gotta take both ends off. Let's flip it over now. Got one piece off. Opening the main. Pieces off. Let's see if we can get it out of here. It's in there. Can you see it? Probably not. There we go. There's another one. Ta-da! Can you see it? It's coming. It's coming. Now, if I can get this out without stabbing myself, it'd probably be a good idea. Look at that, folks. Look at this sucker. Oh, look at that. What is it? It is a 5-inch Kurt Vise. Yeah, here we go. Which weighs a goddamn ton. This over there. Alright, let me stop this real quick. Hello, folks. All that to get this little thing out of a box. I think I just expended more energy to get a vise out of a box than I ever did in my life. But you know what? It got me a vise. See the jaws on it? Finally got me a nice vise. What does it have, jaws? Awesome. Are they screwed in? This is the question. Yeah. Awesome. Well, folks, look at that. A nice Kurt made in USA vise. Sweet. Why do I want a Kurt one? Simple. I didn't want a piece of shit Chinese one. I wanted something with precision, something I didn't have to worry about buying twice. Because, you know, buy it once, buy it right the first time, don't have to worry about it. So yeah, there we go. And then, because on my milling machine right now, the vise is like this, and the milling machine goes forward this way. I wanted a Kurt one because the vise goes like this. Put my little thing on there, and I can align it a lot easier than that one. Why? Because I am most certainly not a goddamn machinist, and so I might have a little problem lining up the vise. So thank you to you-know-who for giving me this vise. It's much appreciated. It is definitely much appreciated. Toodles.